Kaya makita mo ang Davao, mga taga Davao, it has grown big and wide. It's clean. There's nobody walking after 12 o'clock at night. There's no more drinking. Magsisigarilyo ka, maglakad ka sa daan, pagkita ka ni Inday Sara, pakin ka. Talagang, it's almost regimented. They are complaining about my daughter as too strict. Pero sabi, wala ako magawa niyan. I do not control my daughter. I cannot control my daughter. She is very hard to deal with. Kasabi ko yung even in politics, she was the one orchestrating. Hindi na ako. She practically ignored me. Even yung kay Bebot Alvarez. I did not know about it till the day I was there to deliver my SONA address. And it was only a lady secretary. Kinausap niya na, close man kayo ng tatay ko, sabihin mo sa kanya, I'm sorry. And even now, sino yung tatakbo? Magdating ako ng Davao, I'm not really updated the day-to-day events of politics. Pag alam ko, ay set up na. Siya na yung mayor, o yung kapatid niya na ginawa niyang vice mayor, pati si Pulong, ginawa niyang congressman. Pero walang election sa Davao.